Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to check your Jamb results. As you all know, Jamb result of this year should be how to check your results. So first of all, we start with the first method, which is using the online portal. So you search for Jamb results. Jamb is results checker. Then you come for this Jamb results checker 2025. This right here. So we click on it. Alright, so here's the online line. So let's click on this link that's under the online. And here the online portal is still yet to be opened. It's still yet to be opened. So now we are going to use the other method which I'm going to teach you guys, which is the USS test message. The other method, which is through the test. So let's head over to our message app. So you start a new chat. So we start a new chat. So right here, so you select the SIM you use to register the Jamb. That's the SIM you use. So and the recipient here should be this number right here, 55019 or 66019, but the most commonly used one is the 55019. So you tap on it here, we are sending the message to him. Then here, what you'll be sending here is UTME result. You should make sure all are in capital letter and there is no space in the UTME results. So once you've done everything like this, you click on send, and again make sure it's the SIM you use to register, and they charge 15 naira per SMS. So send and click on send. And oops, I was charged. Alright, the reason there was no text message was that I do not register Jamb with this phone number, so I don't actually register Jamb with it. So for you guys that did the Jamb, your results should pop out and you guys can. Alright, so as you can see, so yes, you can see this SMS number was not used to register Jamb. So for you guys that used it to register, immediately you were debited, your result should be out, and wish you best of luck.